Your business depends on your supply chain, but finding a phone parts supplier that meets your needs can be a challenge. Shenzhen Parts, a Western-owned China-based wholesale supplier, understands your needs and is ready to help you streamline your procurement strategy. Formed in 2010 by French and American partners, our emphasis on quality-tested parts, backed by professional customer support and a solid warranty, allows you to run your business without being held back by your supply chain. We work closely with a network of partner factories, setting clear material quality standards and conducting thorough in-house testing. Cutting through the sea of terminology, we provide 3 material conditions: 100% original, original LCD, and replacement. Each part is individually inspected through a defined process of visual inspection authenticity, visual inspection quality, functional testing, light assembly, final inspection, and processed for cleaning and packaging. Standing apart from random suppliers, we work with you to build long-term value with your organization through eliminating assembly, reducing labor costs, minimizing defects, and preventing loss of reputation as well as loss of sales. Our customer support is available to assist you via online chat, email, and direct phone contact. Setting up a new order is easy. Simply create a quotation request. We will provide you with a detailed quotation. Once confirmed, we will begin processing your order, inspecting each product carefully to ensure it meets our seal of approval. Products are then cleaned and processed for safe delivery and efficient reception. A customer support staff will then contact you directly with your commercial invoice, packing list, and tracking information. Revolutionize your supply chain today with a partner that understands your needs.